We are given this equation and we are supposed to find the value of x. You can pause this video here and try it on your own. And before we begin to solve this problem, it's a good idea to have a look at the general structure of the problem. If we do that, we quickly realize that the term here, 3 over 7, is the exact inverse of the term on the right hand side, 7 over 3. Is it possible that we can use this inverse relationship and solve this problem? Well, let's see. Let's see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this term 3 over 7. I'm going to write it as an inverse 7 over 3 raised to the power of negative 1. So this becomes 7 over 3 raised to the power negative 1, which is 3 over 7. But we also have a power of 3x minus 7 on the entire term. So we need to put an extra bracket here and write 3x minus 7. And the right hand side remains the same. 7 over 3 raised to the 7x minus 3. What do we do next? Well, we know that if a number a is raised to the power n and the entire thing is raised to another power m, the entire expression can be replaced by a raised to the n times m. I'm going to use this property. In our case, n is negative 1 and m is 3x minus 7. So what would be minus 1 times 3x minus 7? It would be minus 3x plus 7. So let's write that down. We get 7 over 3 times 7 minus 3x. And the right hand side remains the same. 7 over 3, 7x minus 3. Now what do? We must realize that the terms inside the bracket, 7 over 3 on the left hand side, and we have the same term on the right hand side. And we also know that if we have two terms, a raised to the power n, which is equal to the same number raised to the power m, then the exponents, the powers, must be equal. What does that mean? That means this term must be equal to this term. So let's equate 7 minus 3x equals 7x minus 3. Let's make some space here. So our equation would be 7 minus 3x must equal 7x minus 3. Now we can solve this equation. We would get 10 equals 10x. What does that mean? This implies x must be equal to 1. And that completely solves our problem. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video.